everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with an Uncommon Plans rewind video for you. Uncommon Plans is a digital Etsy store, and she has super cute planner kits, lots of happy planner kits, and she's starting to do mini happy planners. She has some Eric Condrens, and the best thing about digital kits in general is that once you own them forever. You print them and you cut them. But these especially are super cute. So let's start. I am doing a rewind again, and this is the week of January 14th through to the 20th, 2019. So I'm not too far behind. But let's start. I'm just going to get into the groove of things, and yeah, we'll see you when you come back. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Alright, so let's get started here. I'm going to start with my sidebar, and I really love the Labyrinth kit because one, it's Labyrinth, and takes me back to my childhood, and two, I like the neutrals with that little touch of purple, and it is kind of a magical mixture, like kind of reminds me of parchment and sparklers, you know. Purple's always magical and majestic. So I start with a full box with magic just to set the kind of mood for the entire layout, and then I put like that quarter box of a damask pattern, and in that I'm going to put my title dinners because it's followed by a 7 checklist in a brown, and that's perfect because I like listing my dinners on the side there. A couple of trackers for Instagram and my vitamins, and then some glitter headers. I also put some decor strips there, or washi strips, and then another one of those damask patterns, and then I finished it off with the washi or bottom washi. And sorry you can't see it down the bottom there, but I stick the bottom washi on the right hand side of the page also. And then I open my page full so I can kind of see how the entire layout looks. And I begin to place the full boxes, and I found that even though I feel like I'm really busy, and if you look at like my monthly calendar, it's like, holy cow, you have a lot of stuff. I always find that with this type of planner with the verticals, I always have enough room to put a full vertical box. So in each on each day. So and then this kit didn't come with the like half box checklist, but there are enough full box checklists that I can just cut them in half. And then I put another glitter washi. And you can see that I like to leave a little bit of white space between my boxes. And then I use one of the script to-dos, and that is also from Uncommon Plans on Etsy. And there are a lot of different scripts that you can do, and they're full pages, and so it just gives you a good, I guess, a good variety. You mix it up a little bit. Then I cut another full box in, like that one I made 3, and then this one I made 4, and then I put those little quarter boxes there with the little glitter flags on them. And then for this week I kind of forget, like I decided to, along the bottom of all the weeks, to put my projects, like my scrapbooking projects and I guess my crafty projects, and I just forgot this week, so they're kind of scattered all throughout. And then I was bad this week and I didn't track for my Weight Watchers, so that is not a problem either. Typically I put across the middle there a strip of washi and write my points in each day, so I don't have to worry about that. And then you'll find out on Thursday where I put the little scale emoji here that comes with the kit. That or no, that one didn't come with the kit, but I had a bunch left over from old kits. I actually did not lose weight that week. I gained weight and I was not happy about it, but I still mark it down, so it's all part of the journey. On the top of Friday there, I put another glitter washi and wrote the word vacation because I took a half a day vacation to take my daughter to a music camp at the Ohio State University for high school students. And so I dropped her off on Friday. So I took a half day vacation and she had an early release from school. And then I came back home and I left her there until Sunday when I was supposed to go get her, and she had a concert on Sunday. So then I put this half box. And I just kind of placed the half boxes where they you know, where they look good. I didn't, like I said, I didn't stick to my normal routine or my normal template, I guess. So they kind of just went all over the place. And then once I get done filling all this in, I have some music notes because my daughter is heavily involved in band. I just made those myself. And then I have this cute little doodlecorn art. She has a little paint palette and paintbrush. And I put that on for when I have my Artistic Studio Creation Design Team project on that day. I uploaded it. And then on Wednesday, I put that cute little kitty reading a book. Finally, I got the reading deco little kitties, and they are adorable. So that is a must-have there. And then after I'm all done, while I was putting everything down, I was referring to my planner so that I knew approximately where I would have, you know, where I would need to write these items down. So I knew where the book was going to go. I knew where the doodlecorn was going to go. Obviously, I had all the little music notes where I was going to make note of those. Make note. I used a little grocery emoji or deco piece and a little trash deco piece also from the kit. And then I write next to the scale there that I just put my weight. I didn't put how much I lost or whatever. And then I have another little shopping bag from the deco pieces there on the bottom of Thursday where we had to pick up one of our orders. And in that half box on Friday, I just put, you know, Madison has an early release. And then on all the little lists, I just write, you know, what's going on, what I had to do. And then Madison's concert there gets her own little half box on Sunday. And then I began to put my deco pieces down. So the remainder of this is putting deco pieces down. I do use the little laptop icon, which I think is just super cute. And I just put deco wherever I think I need it. And that sums it up. You take a look at some of the photos here. And I hope you have a great day. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.